When homeowners think about increasing property value, they often focus on major renovations. However, some of the most effective upgrades are simpler and more strategic. One such upgrade is the addition of picture windows. For homeowners in Washington, picture windows add long-term value by enhancing appearance, improving comfort, and increasing how desirable a home feels over time. Why long-term value matters to homeowners? Long-term value isn't just about resale. It's about enjoying a home that feels modern, comfortable, and well-designed year after year. Improvements that continue to perform and look good over time offer the greatest return. In Washington properties, picture windows deliver value in ways that extend beyond initial installation, making them a smart investment for homeowners focused on both lifestyle and future appeal. Enhancing curb appeal with timeless design. Picture windows are known for their clean, uninterrupted glass and simple framing. This timeless look works across a wide range of architectural styles. In Washington neighborhoods, homes with picture windows often stand out for their polished and well-maintained appearance. Because the design doesn't rely on trends or decorative features that may date quickly, picture windows continue to enhance curb appeal long into the future. Increasing natural light throughout the home. Natural light is a highly valued feature in residential properties. Homes that feel bright and open tend to attract more interest and feel more comfortable to live in. Picture windows allow large amounts of daylight to enter interior spaces. In Washington homes, this added light helps rooms feel larger, more inviting, and more functional, qualities that consistently contribute to long-term value. Improving everyday comfort and livability. A valuable home is one that people enjoy living in. Picture windows contribute to daily comfort by reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating visually open spaces. In Washington properties, homeowners often find that rooms with picture windows become favorite gathering areas. Comfortable, well-lit spaces support long-term satisfaction, which plays a major role in perceived home value. Supporting flexible interior design. Homes that adapt easily to changing needs tend to hold value better. Picture windows offer design flexibility because they don't dictate furniture placement or room layout. Washington homeowners appreciate that picture windows provide a neutral backdrop for evolving interior styles. This adaptability helps homes remain appealing as trends and personal preferences change. Preserving views and outdoor connection to the outdoors is increasingly important to homeowners. Picture windows frame views without visual obstructions, making outdoor scenery part of the interior experience. In Washington properties, this connection adds emotional value. Whether overlooking landscaping, sky, or neighborhood surroundings, clear views enhance the home's overall appeal and desirability over time. Reducing long-term maintenance concerns. Picture windows are fixed and have no moving parts. This simplicity contributes to their long-term reliability. For Washington homeowners, fewer operational components mean fewer maintenance issues over time. Reduced upkeep helps protect long-term value by minimizing future repair concerns. Enhancing market appeal without overcomplication. Buyers and homeowners alike are drawn to upgrades that feel thoughtful rather than excessive. Picture windows offer noticeable improvement without complicating the home's design. In Washington, this balance makes picture windows especially valuable. They enhance the property without limiting future customization or renovation options. A feature that ages gracefully. Some upgrades lose appeal as design trends change. Picture windows age gracefully due to their simplicity and function. Washington homeowners benefit from windows that continue to look appropriate and desirable even decades after installation, helping maintain property value consistently. A smart investment in lasting value. Picture windows offer more than immediate visual impact. They deliver lasting benefits that support comfort, appearance, and adaptability. For homeowners in Washington, picture windows add long-term value by enhancing natural light, preserving views, and improving everyday livability. Their timeless design and dependable performance make them a smart upgrade that continues to pay off well into the future.